I'm going to be showing you how to fix messages not sending or receiving in Bumble. So to fix issues with Bumble messages not sending or being received, so the first thing to do is to ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So this is a common problem, so make sure you check that. So the second thing to do is to restart the app. Just go ahead and open Bumble. After you're here, just quit the app and open it again and see if it works. So the third thing to do is to restart your device altogether, turn off your phone, and turn it back on again and see if it works. If you have an Android, you can try clearing the cache for the Bumble app to resolve potential data conflicts. You also need to go to your App Store or your Play Store and see if the Bumble app is up to date. Make sure you have no updates. So as you can see, there's an update. Just update the app, and if the issue continues, delete and then reinstall the Bumble app again. So in these ways, you can successfully fix messages not sending or receiving in Bumble. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.